Computer Programming Lab 1, blinking lights. Let us look now into my code. So this is my code. First we have in void setup pin mode 13. We are declaring that 13 should be an output. This is what this function does. And then we go to void loop. This is to say that whatever's under here should continuously run forever. First line of code, we have digital write 13 high. This is to make 13 produce a positive output. And then we go to delay 5000. So the program in itself uses milliseconds and not seconds, so we have to do conversion. So 5000 milliseconds is equivalent to 5 seconds. This is what's happening here. And then we turn off the LED in the next line of code, digital write 13 low. This is to turn off 13 from having power. And then we have it off for half a second, delay 500 milliseconds, so it's going to be off for half a second. And then digital write 13 high, this is to turn it back on, and then we have it on for half a second, and this happens continuously 5 times for the LED to blink 5 times. And then at the end I made it turn off for the 5th time for 3000 milliseconds, 3 seconds, just so that we know it's about to restart again. Then it goes back to the top, on for 5 seconds. Now let's look at the circuit itself. Here we have the microcontroller. It's connected to 13. We have the 13 taking output to the breadboard in the positive terminal there. And then we have ground. I'm sorry, let me just make it clear. We have ground connected to the negative terminal. If you want to follow the string here, it's going to the negative terminal. And then let's look a bit closer. Here we have my resistor here. It's on the positive terminal, just under where the output's going to, and then it's going into the main breadboard here, and it's in the same line with the LED. And then we have the ground going into the, let me just show you here, it's going back into the negative terminal. And I believe everything here is wired up correctly. Let's just look at the LED to see if it's following our code. Okay, I'm gonna wait for it to restart. And on for 5 seconds. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then now it's off for 3 seconds. So we know that it's working. It was on for 5 seconds, and then it blinked for 5 seconds. So this means that the code is working. Thank you for your time.